Oh, hey guys, welcome back. This is Don't Burn Dinner, my humble little kitchen over here. If you're here and you're new, my whole manifesto is that I am trying to find easy, simple recipes for moms that are busy, that don't particularly love cooking. So this is a new one I'm trying out today. My girlfriends shared it at the park this morning, so none of us knew what we wanted to have for dinner. It all sounded like a drag. And my friend tried this out. She said it was amazing. Breakfast for dinner is always a hit. So let's try fruity French toast. Hopefully my kids like it and yours do too. Okay, and make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes because we're always cooking because it never ends. Does it? Doesn't. Okay, let's quickly grab the recipe and the ingredients that we need. So this one I'm already obsessed with. All we need is a half of a banana, 2 to 3 strawberries, 2 slices of bread, and 1 egg. If you have another kid, if you've got 2 kids, add another egg. Bless you, sweetie. All right, so let's get ready to assemble our little fruity French toast. Like I said before, all you need are 3 nice strawberries, 1 egg, and a half of a banana. Ripe or not, I don't think it really matters. Then you'll need 2 pieces of bread. We're going to cut that up nicely, and this is for 1 kid. So if you have 2 kids, add another egg. So now we have our half of banana. We're going to add our strawberries, and I'm gonna start with 2 and just see how that mashes up. And if it looks like I might need a little more. And it says to mash it with a fork, but I'm gonna go ahead and mash it with a masher because we are working smarter, not harder. So this part does take a little bit of work. Let's get the rotation going. See what we're getting. Okay, a little egg. I'm going to do just the 2 strawberries. That looks good to me. I'm going to mix this in. I mean, what mom doesn't have? Strawberries, bananas, and eggs, and bread, always. She said like this. Like this. Yeah, into little cubes, little bite size. All right, so I am going to just cover this like you would French toast. Toasty, toasty. All right, let's see here. And then I'm gonna place it. Cute. Oh, these are adorable. Yes. Little bite size. I bet my husband would like these too. Oh, that turned out nice, actually. Okay, this is going to be really good. I probably should have done it on a lower setting. It's all right. And look at how much is left, too. So, yeah, you'll get 2 full slices of bread, which is a lot for a little toddler. I bet you this would do my kids. This would be 2 for me, 2 kids. Both of my kids could eat with this, just 1 egg. But my kids are little, so they're young. Let me show you. Burned a little, but we don't call this Don't Burn Dinner for nothing. All right, so I can do a second batch. I'm gonna put it on a lower heat this time. It smells delicious. Sprinkle a little powdered sugar. Thanks for joining us today for our fruity French toast. This, I think, is a huge hit. My son's in the other room eating it. He's loving it. His nose is stuffy. He doesn't want to be on camera today, so we've got to respect that. And I can't even try it for you guys because I'm allergic to bananas. So I can't try it, but it smells amazing, like bananas Foster. And I think it's easy. We've got minimal cleanup. We've got 2 dishes to clean. I love it. So thank you for joining us on our journey today. I think we're onto something great. If you love it, please let me know in the comments and make sure you follow us so you don't miss any future recipes. All right, we'll see you guys next time on Don't Burn Dinner. Bye.
Come here, come here.